There are two method to reduce the waste or managing the waste. There are two method we are going to doing that uh, to manage the waste. First is the incineration, but this is not a healthy way to dispose the waste, because in this incineration we are burning the waste. Incineration is a burning of waste. It is the burning of waste, and burning of waste is not open or a good open is a not a good method of disposing waste. It is not a good method of disposing the waste. It create a lot of smoke, and that pollute the environment. See that then the dry waste which contain, we have to separate the dry waste and the wet waste in a separate bag, so it is easy to recycle. See the dry waste which contains small piece of paper, cardboard, cloth pieces, wood pieces, and the plant material. This is all are the dry, we can use as a fuel. And same the amount of such a waste is used, and it can be used as a fuel to produce electricity. Such type of fuels are maximum amount of such type of fuels are available, and they are produce the most waste that we can use as a fuel, and that fuel produce the electricity. This use of to require a segregation of this type of use to require segregation of waste. If we want to use, we want to recycle, we want to do the produce the electricity, we have to separate the dry waste. From that we can produce the fuel, and that is used for producing the electricity. Now next is the landfilling. Landfilling, see here the given the landfilling on the large scale can lead to the environmental contamination. See here the landfilling. Now see the landfilling, at least most basic level, landfilling involves placing waste underground and covering it with soil. See, already I gave the example that in a Delhi, see the one landfilling, there is a garden. First, all the see the landfilling means all the waste are dumped on a one place in a one big dig, and what happened? It is covered with the soil. The waste is dumped and placed in with the use of bulldozer. And landfilling on a large scale can be lead to the environmental contamination. If the land is covered with the organic waste, then waste decomposes and produce the methane gas. See, if there is both biodegradable waste also, that is what will happen? It will start decomposes because of the soil microorganism, and that waste produce the methane gas. So this gas slowly seeps through the earth and disperses into the atmosphere as well. Since the process of methane emission from the landfill site is a slow process, it become a long-term source of air pollution and possible irritation for the local population. See, what will happen if in a landfilling, if there is a biodegradable waste also, it start decomposing. It is under the soil, it start decomposing, and after a decomposing of that organic waste, it produce the methane gas, and that methane gas slowly pollute the environment, air pollution. And maybe if you are living, if the people are living near the landfilling area where the all the waste is dumped, they are feeling the irritation, and they are feeling the irritations. Landfilling site also contaminate the water table, destroy wildlife habitat, and ruin. See, this is the disadvantage of the landfilling. What it contaminate the water table. You know the water table. Water table means level of underground water level. Water is inside the soil. That is on that level. That level of water inside the soil in the that we can call as a water table. Destroy the wild habitat and ruin scenic landscape. This is all the disadvantage of the landfilling. To prevent the landfill material polluting land and the groundwater, water table means it is the groundwater level of groundwater, that is we can call as a water table. That pollute because of the landfilling, they are polluting the land. That land also polluting and groundwater. Thus the landfill area is the first lined by the waterproof material, mostly a special type of plastic. So here what precaution we have to give, we have to take, we have to put the waterproof material, mostly a special type of plastic is coming, that we have to keep inside, and then we have to do the landfilling. So this is all about the methods of disposal of the waste. First is the incineration and the second is the landfilling, but both are having their